Includes an anchor intro, reporter segment, eyewitness testimony, and expert analysis to make it engaging and informative. Japan battles its worst forest fire in decades. Good evening and welcome to Daily News Channel, bringing you the latest on a devastating wildfire in Japan. The city of Afinado, in Iwate Prefecture, is facing the country's largest forest fire in over 30 years. More than 5,200 acres of land have already been scorched, with firefighters battling around the clock to contain the flames. Tragically, at least one person has died, and thousands of residents have been forced to evacuate as the fire continues to spread. For the latest, we go live to our correspondent, reporter name, who is in Afinado. I'm here in Afinado, where thick smoke fills the sky, and the smell of burning wood lingers in the air. Right behind me, you can see emergency crews desperately trying to control the raging fire, which has now damaged more than 80 homes. Firefighters, rescue teams, and even Japan's self-defense forces are working tirelessly to battle the flames. More than 2,000 personnel have been deployed, using helicopters and water cannons in an attempt to contain the fire, but efforts have been severely hampered by dry weather and strong winds. The region has seen its driest winter since 1946, with just 2.5 millimeters of rainfall recorded in February, far below the usual 41 millimeters now. Let's hear from a local resident who has been affected by the fire. Eyewitness interview. Resident: It all happened so fast. One moment, we saw smoke in the distance, and within hours, the fire was at our doorstep. We had to evacuate immediately, leaving everything behind. Our home, it's probably gone. Expert analysis. To understand more about the worsening wildfire situation in Japan, we spoke to fire expert name, a wildfire specialist expert. The situation in Afinado highlights the growing risk of wildfires in Japan. Climate change is making winters drier, and that creates the perfect conditions for fires to spread rapidly. Strong winds also make it incredibly difficult to control the flames once they start. Government response. The Japanese government has issued evacuation orders for more than 4,600 people. Prime Minister Fumio Kishida has promised full support for firefighting efforts and emergency aid for affected residents, but the question remains, could this disaster have been prevented? Experts say more investment is needed in early detection systems and better fire management strategies to reduce the risk of such large-scale wildfires in the future. Back here in Afinado, fire crews are still working through the night to contain the blaze. Authorities are urging residents to stay alert and follow evacuation orders as conditions remain dangerously unpredictable. For now, we'll continue monitoring the situation closely. Reporting from Afinado, I'm back to you. Thank you. Our thoughts are with the people of Afinado during this challenging time. That's all for now. Stay tuned to